Warning, and why is it so?
Warning just for the general information of public who's connected with your channel. It is just an information to all the people that whoever are near the river, whose houses are near the river, they should go to the upward side.
So
This is just a warning.
why is it warning? Just because of the heavy rainfall, or is there any
Because of the alert that we have received of a heavy congestion of clouds.
Okay.
And it is a alert basically just to keep people informed about the situation.
Nothing to be serious, or
It's nothing to be serious, but to be alert.
Alert.
To keep people in alert mode.
Thank you so much. So there you can see District Magistrate over here of the entire region. This is the current condition of Harsil Valley. Clouds cover can be seen in the entire region, and since last 3 to 4 hours there has been continuous heavy rainfall which is being reported. The water levels are drastically increasing of river Bhagirathi, and therefore to be on alert, the locals have been advised to go to a safer places, not to go towards the river, because the levels are continuously increasing. What we've been also told that in the Dharali region, where the army, NDRF, SDRF had made temporary arrangements as far as the bridges are concerned, the relief work that was going on, that completely had now collapsed because of these rains. And there you can see the flow of Bhagirathi river this morning. Remember when I was trekking from the Ganganani region towards Harsil, the JCB machine clearly, that was making a passage for the communications, and the JCB machine at last fell down in the Bhagirathi river, and it was a BRO level official who feared trap in that as well. And the same situation currently can be seen over here.